Good morning, it's Rafael's last day at school. We dropped him off. Everything is normal. In Israel, that would not be normal, but here I guess it is. Can't even imagine. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm driving the car for the very first time, and I really like it. It's a pretty good car. It's nice. I like it. Very happy with our purchase. It does have check gauges light, but we haven't had any service done to it yet, so we have to, you know, have it fully checked out, and we're gonna get some upgrades to it so that we can do more things with it. But yeah, I like it so far. It's good.
And I also think you might not be as green as you were in the other car.
Oh yeah, am I white now? Why was I green in the other car? I noticed that a couple of times.
I think it's just a tan in it and the green all around.
Oh, okay.
It gave it a green tan.
Yeah, I noticed that just recently.
So how do you like the ride?
Oh, I'm very happy with it.
Smoothness?
Yeah, the seats are like very nice, really comfortable. It would be a good vehicle to travel with. If it had better gas mileage, it would be like perfect, but you know, you can't have everything. And gas is cheap right now, so I'm happy with it, with everything all around. I think we got the perfect vehicle for our family right now.
Right now.
Yeah, right now. Yeah, so because we want to do a lot of things with it, and since school is out and this is the last day of school, we're gonna have a really fun summer going off-road with the kids.
So it's time to work out, and we'll get back to you later. You have to speak up though, because I can't hear you.
We going gym.
Yes, we are. Yep.
School.
Uh-huh. Are you having a good day?
Yeah.
Did you wake up happy?
Yeah.
Great.
That's what we do.
Yeah.
That's what we do, pretty much.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, let's go to the gym then.
I'm gonna talk about it. Then we go to gym. We are going to gym if we go home. If we go home to gym, we go home. Wait.
Right.
Okay, woo! So my hair was straight this morning, and now it is not because I am sweaty. Anyway, we're gonna go into
Turn it
this.
off. You got copyright music.
Oh my
here.
god! Oh my god! Don't listen to it. We're gonna go into this Jeep dealership and look for faults in our vehicle.
Get an estimate for what we already know needs fixed.
Yeah. Like the back door is rattling when we're driving because it's not seated properly. The AC is very not good for the back passenger, so I wonder if anybody had, you know, died from not getting an AC back there because the kids are sweating in the back. Yeah, I don't know. Whichever looks good.
That's the big one.
You want to hold it?
You can't hold a watermelon? What is it, like 20 pounds? They're $3.50 right now. Oh, you want oranges? You in the mood for oranges again? It's a saddle bag, $9.99. Light set, $4.99. Bike chains, $4.99. Oh yeah? And a gel seat, foam seat pad, $7.99, and helmets, $12 and $17. Can I tell you again how much I love living here? Turtle, where are you going? It's a baby turtle.
The baby?
It's a baby. You say hi. Don't touch it.
Hi.
Don't touch it. He's gonna go home. He's gonna go right in our home. He's gonna go right in our yard. Hey, if you're gonna have free rent, you gotta eat all the mosquitoes. Okay, bye. Check the mail. Open it. Open. Can you not open it? No. Oh, we don't have anything, just some spider eggs back in there.
Right away.
Okay, ready to go?
Yeah. I'm ready to go.
All right, the turtle is nowhere to be found now. It's hot out here and it's cold-blooded, so it must be really happy. Can I just tell you that I have been taking energy drink supplement and it's doing nothing for me. However, I do have a cold right now, but it's literally doing nothing for me. And I feel like coffee does nothing for me now too. So I have to get my vitamins up so I can have some use out of the caffeine that I'm getting. Oh, and I got these real nice pants, but they're very tight on me and they look bad. But they're good for working out, so I'll wear them to work out.
Are you doing Bible study?
Yeah, I like reading these books. My grandma gave me one. I still have it, so it's probably like 40 years old or something. Maybe 50 years old. Yeah, it's probably like 50.
And Abigail, are you doing tea party?
Tea party? Yes.
This one's an updated one. This one's probably like 10 years old.
This is our haul for today. It cost about $110, and it's like a bi-weekly for all of what we just got. The reason why it's more than it should be is because we got a lot of those. Those were 33% of the original value, right? Or wait,
Half
were
off.
they half off? Okay.
Half off.
These were half off.
They're actually at Aldi's, and they don't have stuff like that usually. So those were name brand, and they half off.
Yeah. The rest is pretty much a lot of produce. This is from Aldi in Florida. A lot of produce, berries, citric fruit. We got lemon for lemon water. A lot of different stuff. And as you can tell, this is not the perfect diet, but it's very close to it. We have bread here and tortillas there. Bacon here, lunch meat. Those are on the not 100%
You
good
just
for
stop
you.
right there. Bacon, perfect diet.
I don't believe that, but that's okay. Either way, got a good mix of a lot of fresh produce, chicken, more fresh food over here. We did get a couple of those nice, really good cheese that we have a little bit off at a time. Some single guacamole servings. Barbecue sauce because we were liking it. A lot of canned goods. Most of it is pickles. And just basically fresh items like hummus and salad, and it's just all really good.
Hey, won't you get an after shot of 1 week of working out? Now, supposedly I've lost 2 pounds. I feel like I've gained it.
You're wearing the wrong clothes for this.
Oh, I'm wearing real tight clothes. Ugh. Okay. I've been having like where I want to faint when I stand up. Okay, I'm going to change my clothes now. Watch me walk away. Whoa, cabin in the woods. Okay, now turn around. My mom's like, why is she limping? And then my dad came in, he's like, is that cat limping? And I said, yeah, she is. Nobody believes me. My family knows what a limp looks like.
Hi guys. I have some special vlogs on the other camera that you haven't seen yet. And after completing school, I got a dome that was a surprise. And we're going to put some pull-up bars on it. So this is the day that my daddy put it together. Today's video is the one that we just filmed. I got that.
I have my little helper, and we're gonna try to do something real nice because Mommy and Rafael are gone, and we have to surprise them. Right? Look at me, right?
Yes, with a bobby pin.
And you wanted my bracelet?
Yes.
Go ahead and put it on. It's against mosquitoes, which we have a lot of. Hopefully all the bugs will stay away from you now, right?
Yes.
And hopefully it doesn't irritate you.
Hey, why those sticks?
Okay, so we have a few of the surprises right here, and I think that one is a big one. So let's try to do that. It's a big, heavy one.
It's big.
Abigail wanted to demonstrate how big this is. And as you can tell, it's bigger than a 2-year-old.
Then Rafael. What you do?
This is a climbing dome, and we are going to try and attempt to build it in less than 3 hours.
Yes! The boy and the balls. The volleyball. Okay?
The sun is out, camera's on, my helper is here, and it's time to make our yard so much more upgraded and fun, right?
Yeah.
And it's gonna be really nice for the kids. Yeah, it's just a 5x10, 1.5 meter over 3 meters. Are you excited?
Yes.
I'm very excited too, so let's get the party going.
Good.
Did you climb there by yourself?
Yes.
Yes, she did. It's amazing. It took me, I think, 2.5 hours to build this, and I like it. Running out of light right now, so I want to film this before it's over. Still have to put the caps on those. The handholds is what they call it, by lifetime.
I better not go over here.
It's already looking really good.
Not go over here.
No, you're not. And can't wait for her 6-year-old brother to climb this.
I'm gonna go over here. Is the wolf coming?
It's a doggy.
Doggy?
Yes.
Wolfie?
This will be a complete surprise for Rafael, and Mommy already knows about it. And I think I'm just going to keep it as a surprise for him for tomorrow morning, so he can wake up and go outside and be like, yeah, I want to go to the trampoline, and then have that. To me, that would be like a great day to be alive.
I'll be alive. That's not.
And it is a great day, isn't it, Abigail?
I got it.
Yeah, so she got through the first level. It was hard. She's going to build up her strength and learn from Rafael how to climb up safely. Right? All right, you can go ahead and say goodnight, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Good girlies.
Yeah, I am a good boy. Good.
That looks yummy.
Yes.
Does it taste good?
Yes.
Yeah, that's their final product, and it looks really good. It does have a lot of Israeli in it, or Mediterranean, because I put the garlic with onion and tomato, and then I mixed it with the brown rice pasta, and of course the very spicy, seasoned, well seasoned I'd say, chicken tenderloins. Yummy?
Yes.
Okay, we got a swing. We got a rope swing. Got a real swing for the kids.
This is for the dome.
Yeah, this one's for the dome.
It's too tall though.
So we'll put it in the middle of the dome. No, I've seen pictures of people having
This is too tall, Andrea.
this exact thing.
It's too
Oh, maybe
tall.
they folded
wrap
it.
around. Yeah,
And then we
with
got this agility bar for Rafael to climb. So I didn't know if you wanted to put this one in the dome or the other one.
the agility.
Yeah.
When the video's on. Alright, tomorrow's my special last day of school. And I want you to come back and watch it. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Excuse me. We have a rocking chair and a dome. We have a lot of stuff. Here, would you like to film our table?
No.
Come on, let's see it.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
What's in there?
Yeah! It's eggs. I just found it out. It's Kinder eggs or something. That's our time to pick. That's awesome!
It's made by Awesome, actually. Awesome. Projects going on, and all of the days are like all mixed up.